While it may not look it, you do have ocean views right down to the beach area through here. I'm gonna back out here so you can get a good feel for the half acre of land. A lot of this construction will still be happening and still is happening right now on site. See the counters as they go through, and a farm sink. Wood cabinetry, it's all gonna have the poles. It has soft close cabinets. There's that life-proof flooring. I think it's the vinyl plank life-proof flooring, I'll confirm that. But great area. Obviously still construction zone, they're gonna replace obviously things like that. So you see the other new genuine windows and doors. And I'm gonna dial in here on the fireplace. There's a downstairs area, I'll take you there next. Get a good feel for this. It's already tiled, 12-inch by 24-inch tile. Gonna get a feel for what they're gonna do. The flat river rock in here. And the captain's chair is gonna go on over here. Closet space on both sides. It's kind of acting as your master's because it's got an ensuite as such. That's the door that's coming in. Get into just a full remodel done in here. And obviously it's not fully completed yet, but will be. Jump across the same flooring medium throughout the whole home. The new gentleman, dual pane windows, avocado tree, great yard area too. So I'll head on downstairs as well. The outside obviously is going to be painted and whatnot too, so probably painted. Downstairs will be finished as well. Down here it's a little bit lower. You can kind of enter through here, and you see through here. This is right about 6 feet. It's probably about 6'6", because I could walk under that, maybe a little bit higher than 6 feet. And they're gonna repurpose this. This will be the bedroom. Into a bathroom, but either way, they're gonna have a bathroom in one of these areas. Maybe it's over here. Yeah, so the bathroom should be over here. It's the master. There's another room over there, and this will be your living area. And the kitchenette is going to be on over here, so give you a good feel for that. I'll just walk out through. I guess I won't walk out that door. I'll get a good feel for what else this property has to offer around. You'll see the area. Good scaping out here, the tiered landscape. And obviously you see the views. You can even see North Shore as well. And this land does trundle down a little bit here too. Again, a survey will tell us exactly. And we'll go from there. It's Jeffrey Cook, Coldwell Banker Island Properties.